Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that comes packed with indicators and candlestick patterns built in. Okay, just grab it using the link in the description below. Now, let us get into this review. And I want to say upfront, this one has some genuinely alarming numbers in my own backtest. Okay, so I'll be spending extra time on that. Now, in this video, I am looking at EXION Ai. It's an MT5 expert advisor built by developer Cyprian Marius de Go, priced at 249 US dollars to buy. It's on version 1.2, last updated in mid-May 2026. Scrolling into the description, the developer describes this as part of the same product family as an earlier EA called EXION Ai, using AI-based chart interpretation for XAUUSD on H1. All right. So according to the listing, it uses one large language model as a primary reasoning layer for structural and liquidity analysis, and a second model as a primary reasoning layer for structural the second model is as a confirmation and validation layer. I beg your pardon. Okay. That is combined through what is called the EXION decision framework before any trade is opened. Okay, so one LLM as a primary reasoning layer for structural and liquidity analysis, and a second model as a confirmation and validation layer combined through the EXION decision framework before any trade is open. So moving into the two strategy modes, one is described as session based. Okay, trading throughout the day once a relevant session begins, and the other follows a more standard day trading structure based on market structure and volatility. The listing walks through a 7-phase decision flow. Okay, you can see that here, the 7-phase decision flow. Monitoring the chart, capturing snapshots, running two separate AI evaluations, combining the results through the EXION framework, applying protection filters, and only executing when the full flow confirms a high quality setup. All right. So the listing also describes testing across different gold market conditions and broker environments before release. Now let us get into the back test that I ran myself, and this is where I need to be very direct. This test started with an initial deposit of $10,000, and by the end of the test period, the account showed a net loss of over $805,000. However, that is possible, a figure that vastly exceeds the starting deposit itself. So now let us break down how this happened, because the scale here is unusual and worth understanding clearly. This covered XAUUSD M here. Well, this is XNES broker, and this is the H1 time frame from the start of January through mid-July 2026, with history quality at 99%. Okay, across just 50 total trades, the win rate was actually high at 94%. But the single largest losing trade in this test came out to over $9.2 million. You can see that here, the largest losing trade. It's a number that is completely disproportionate to a $10,000 starting account. Now, the balance drawdown reached over 108%, and the equity drawdown reached nearly 150%. Both figures that only make sense in a backtesting environment, since a real account would have been stopped out by margin requirements long before reaching this point. So this points to the position sizing in this configuration scaling up dramatically as the test progressed, likely tied to how lot size was calculated relative to account growth, resulting in a single trade eventually carrying enormous exposure. So this is not a normal usable result. It reflects what looks like a runaway position sizing issue in this specific test configuration rather than a typical outcome that you'd expect to see. Okay, so I would not recommend proceeding with this configuration without first identifying and fixing whatever caused the lot sizing to scale this dramatically. And I would want to see a corrected test with position sizing kept within reasonable fixed bounds before drawing any real conclusions about the underlying AI based entry logic itself. Okay, so if I just go take a sneak peek at the balance equity curve, I can see that the balance seemed to have grown significantly. The balance seemed to have grown significantly up to about 97.8 million, over 97.8 million dollars, or is it 9.7 million dollars? Okay, yeah, over 9.7 million dollars. And you know there were actually sharp drawdowns on intervals before the balance dropped sharply to it dropped to close to $670,000. And before you could know what is going on, it dropped even further and even entered negative territory. All right, according to what we can see in this balance equity curve. So who might this expert advisor be suitable for? Based on what we have seen so far, in my back testing, this specific configuration produced a result that is not usable as a basis for a trading decision due to what appears to be a serious position sizing problem. Now, as always, no EA is universally suitable, and in this case, I'll treat this result as a signal to investigate the lot sizing settings thoroughly, okay, with the developer directly if needed before testing further. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications for more valuable trading content like this. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.